we're frustrating them. We're frustrating them in many different ways. If we take away what they're good at, they're going to struggle, and they'll act out in different ways because that's the way the world works. We need to, there needs to be compliance in the world, but there also needs to be exploration. There needs to be those risk takers. We need to nurture that. We need to get them out of their seats. We need, application learning, opportunities for kids to actually do things and move. It's been proven many times throughout. It's not a one-for-all world. We need to meet the kids where they're at, move them forward, and provide them with opportunities to succeed. And if you're successful, and if we celebrate those successes in a way that connects to the children, you're going to see great success throughout, and you'll see a much happier environment in schools as well as in society.